In just 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to make over $100 per day using ChatGPT, Google, and Medium. Best of all, you don't need to spend any money to get started. First, head to chatgpt.com. You can sign up, though it's optional, or if you prefer, you can start generating content right away. ChatGPT will help you create the content you need, whether it's articles, product reviews, or other forms of written content. The next step is to go to medium.com, a popular blogging platform where you can post articles for free. Medium attracts millions of visitors each month, making it a great platform for this method. 68% of the traffic comes from organic search, meaning people search for content, like product reviews, and land on Medium posts. With millions of users and massive traffic, this is the perfect place to post your content and earn money. Signing up for Medium is simple. You can use your Google account to register. Once signed up, you can begin posting articles right away. Now, why are we using Medium? It's because of the traffic. Each post on Medium can get thousands of views. Some posts even go viral and get millions of views. When your content gets attention, you can convert those views into money. Now, we'll go to ClickBank, one of the largest affiliate networks. Here, you can find top offers to promote. Once you've signed up for ClickBank, go to the marketplace and look for popular products like Java Burn, a weight loss supplement. These products have high demand, meaning they get a lot of traffic from people looking for reviews. By promoting these products, you can earn commissions every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link. Java Burn, for example, can earn you around $147 per sale. Imagine making one sale per day. That's $4,500 in 1 month. And with tons of people searching for product reviews, you can easily attract potential buyers. You can do this by creating reviews for products, ranking well on search engines like Google, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. Here's how you can start. Use ChatGPT to generate a review for a product like Java Burn. Ask ChatGPT to write a natural, detailed review for the product, and in just a few seconds, you'll have your content ready. However, there's a catch. Google recognizes AI-generated content, so you need to rewrite it before posting. Google will rank original, human-written content higher, so reading through and making slight changes will make your review more effective. Once your review is ready, go to Medium and create a new post. Copy the content from ChatGPT, make your edits, and paste it into Medium. Give it a catchy title, add your affiliate link, and be sure to include your keyword phrases like Java Burn Review to help your article rank on Google. If you want to make your article more engaging, you can add images of the product, but be sure to use relevant images that make your article look more clickable. After your review is live, monitor the traffic and views it gets. When someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. This process can be repeated daily, allowing you to generate passive income with just a few simple steps. If you consistently post reviews for popular products like Java Burn and use effective SEO strategies, you can easily make $100 plus per day. To maximize your earnings, keep posting content on Medium and use ChatGPT to generate high-quality, SEO optimized reviews. Remember, it only takes one sale per day to make $100+ daily. So, by promoting one product every day and generating sales, you'll steadily build up your income. The key to success with this method is consistency. If you get into the habit of posting reviews regularly, you can increase your chances of getting more views and higher conversion rates. Plus, the more content you publish, the higher your chances are of ranking on Google and driving organic traffic to your affiliate links. This strategy works well because you're leveraging free tools, ChatGPT, Google, and Medium to create content, reach a massive audience, and earn money through affiliate commissions. So, get started today, and you can quickly scale up your efforts to earn over $100 a day with just a little bit of work.